How to make money with copywriting. A copywriter in a team of content writers is like Superman in the team of superheroes. A good copywriter can sell anything with the power of words only. If you Google what's the highest paying type of writing, the answer will be copywriting. Not only does copywriting pay you the highest rates, but also super fun to do and is not dry and boring like the rest of writing jobs. If you learn copywriting, you can literally go from $15 per article to $150 for a few lines. This is just an average price, as there are copywriters that are earning way more than $150. One common mistake that a lot of people do is they mistake the word copyrights with copywriter. The first one, copyrights with R in middle, is intellectual right. The latter one, which we will be talking about today, is the purest and persuasive form of writing. Before we dive deep into how to make money with copywriting, let me establish the context first about copywriting and what copywriters do, so you guys may have a clear idea of what you would be doing to make money with it. And if you have not subscribed to my channel yet, why are you missing the high value content that can open up new doors for making money for you? So do subscribe to my technical solution and press the bell icon. So let's start with, what is a copywriter? Copywriter is someone who writes for a business organization, usually with intention or promote products, services, or brand. The writing style is persuasive, easy to write, and connects with the writer at an emotional level. They make reading so easy that reader unintentionally reads the whole and copy. When you are reading a book, you are reading the work of a normal writer. But when you read any type of ad copy, the landing page of website, or a written message from any business organization, you are reading the words crafted by a copywriter. Copywriters do make a lot of money for writing a few lines, but before penning down a few lines, a lot of research is needed about a brand or what they are writing about. And there are some formulas that need to be followed, like the most used one is PAS formula. It stands for pain, agitate, and solution. This works in a way that a copywriter through works trigger a response by focusing on pain that is amplified or agitated, and the solution for that lies in getting a product or service. This is how smartly a copywriter achieves a sale through words only. Actually, they use the power of words to play with your feelings, and I can bet that most of you have been through this as well. What does a copywriter do? Copywriter write content like used for sales, marketing products, or service that they include interesting tasks like writing ad copies, social media posts, email funnels, landing pages, video scripts, and anything that involves a persuasive and compelling style of writing. If you are thinking that copywriters spend most of their time writing words, you are wrong. In fact, the search bar consumes most of their time before writing. They search competitors of brands, what they are waiting for, who is the target audience, what are their interests, and how can they grab their attention and get a potential sale. Top-notch copywriters spend days and even do surveys, write multiple copies, then go through a lot of editing before finalizing a super copy that will fulfill the purpose. The whole process is actually interesting and becomes addictive, and a lot of money is surely waiting for the completion of the job. 3 ways you can earn money with copywriting. One is by becoming in-house copywriter. This is like a full-time job in the position of copywriter, a full-time job with a fixed monthly salary that is usually $35,000 to $75,000, and this depends on the company that you are working with and the experience you have. You have to write in cohesive and persuasive tone, and your content should always be highly relevant. You have to complete day-to-day tasks of writing ad copies, email copies, marketing material like social media posts, and writing for brands. Number 2, by becoming an agency copywriter. In this, you will be writing and crafting content for whether the client agency has. It can be remote work or a house job. You will be filling roles like persuading audience or client directly or indirectly to sell products or services through your ad copies, social media ads, or highly persuasive emails. Communication is key, just like all other copying roles. Unlike other jobs, you will be working closely with a team that usually comprises digital marketing and graphic designing experts. And if we talk about earning, then copywriters working for an agency have salaries between $45,000 to $90,000 a year. Number 3, by becoming a freelance copywriter. If you really want to pop your bank account, then freelancing is the best option. Let me tell you why freelancing is the best option. The most attractive thing, there is no limit to earning. No job security fear. You are your own boss and manager. You can work from your comfort zone. The whole process is in your control. Now this means you have control over everything, but also you will be responsible for everything, for getting the work and delivering it on time and maintaining the quality of your copywriting work as well. Freelancing copywriting might take you feel difficult at first, but if you take persistent person, you will get complete control over your career and you can take your earning to levels that you have never previously believed. And if you are thinking about where you will be getting freelance work, then who haven't heard of freelancing platforms like Upwork, Fiverr and Guru.com? My expert advice is to work only with clients who focus on sale but on expense, and work with high paying clients only, as they are not difficult to find in the niche of copywriting. Any of these jobs as copywriter can make sure a successful career for you, as more and more businesses are emerging every day. E-commerce is expanding and the demand and the value of copywriting is increasing parallel with them. And if you take my opinion, I will advise you to start as a freelancer. You will work from your comfort zone, but with all the responsibilities on you, you can actually mint a large sum of money in a shorter time. This was all for today. Want to learn more about copywriting or any questions in mind? You can ask in the comment section and I would be happy to help you. Thanks for watching.